Who's ready for fall?
I know I am, and today we're going to be trying Tasty's apple pie bake.
Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. We make the recipe for you and we give it our review. So real quick about the challenge, the smoothie challenge. We are up to, I think, 216 views or something like that. Almost got to 300. And I'm going to say this right now. I'm going to extend this another week. I know I said 1 week, but we're going to go ahead and make it until next Saturday. So by next Saturday at noon, if we can get 300 views on that video, I'll go ahead and do that smoothie for you guys. So,
but let's get back to today's video.
Right.
Apple pie bake. I love fall.
Bake. Oh yeah.
I love apple pie.
Yep.
I love cinnamon rolls.
All good things.
All good things.
Yeah. How could it go wrong?
Right.
Let's find out.
So y'all, you need to make sure you like and subscribe down below so that way you can get all of our videos every week.
Hit the bell icon.
Bell
Ding. Icon. Hit it. Ding. And then hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you like this video. And
if we get last week's video to 300, you're going to want to be a subscriber to YouTube because that's where we're going to live stream him drinking that nasty smoothie that you're making.
Actually, I was thinking about doing 2 live streams at the same time.
Ooh.
So we could do Facebook Live and YouTube Live. Let us know if that's something you guys would like to see.
All right. So first you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut up the cinnamon roll dough. Cinnamon roll dough, cinnamon roll dough, cinnamon roll dough, cinnamon roll dough.
What kind of dough is it?
Cinnamon roll dough.
Cinnamon roll dough.
Cut that dough. Cut
it up. All right, now we're gonna get a bowl and get our eggs, milk, cinnamon, and vanilla extract all in there and get it all mixed together and nice and hoobly. That's a word too.
You know what this part kind of reminds me of?
What's that part?
Like how you would make French toast.
Yeah, kind of like, cinnamon French toast. A little bit.
Cinnamon roll French toast. Now we got like French toast with apple pie going on and I'm excited.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
We'll see.
So next we're going to take those apples, we're going to go ahead and put them into a skillet with some butter and some brown sugar. We're going to go ahead and cook that until that sugar caramelizes all over those apples. It's going to be so good.
All right, so as you probably saw in the cooking sequence, there was not enough butter in the pan that the recipe gives you to actually mix cohesively with the brown sugar to make it caramelized. So it kind of just, started to maybe get a little bit on the burnt side. So I had to take it off the heat real quick and add more butter. We added half a stick of butter more to the mixture to make it, work.
Caramelize.
Yeah. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be making this.
All right, and also we didn't have a 9 by 9 inch pan. We used a 9 by 13 inch pan. It's not going to have any difference on the taste. It's just a bigger pan.
Yep, that's it. So that's what we did. Got to use what you have, right?
That's right.
That's right.
That's right. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to take all the cinnamon roll pieces, put them on the bottom of the pan.
Yeah.
Pour your egg mixture on top, use the icing and just drizzle it on over, and you're going to cook that for about 25 to 30 minutes.
Yeah. right, here we go. And as you can see, it is very much
Apple pie bake-ish?
apple pie bake-ish with ice creamish on the topish.
It smells good.
Let's give it a try.
Give
Forks
me
up.
my fork.
Tink it.
You're supposed to serve this hot, and you can serve it with vanilla ice cream if you want. You're supposed to be sharing. It's okay.
What?
I don't really like it.
Really?
I think it's kind of blasé. You kind of lose the cinnamon roll effect. And the apples are good. But yeah, I think it's just kind of it's okay. I mean, I'd only give it probably like a 5. If that.
I have to disagree. Absolutely. That is really good. I could sit and eat this all day.
Really?
Yeah, I'd get like.
I
way
prefer
bigger.
like a traditional apple pie.
We'd need a wider camera because I would be sitting eating this.
The whole pan right in front of him.
I see what you're saying though. It does have that French toast kind of element to it. It really does, and that comes through.
That's
And
kind of
with
what
the
it.
ice cream too, like, man, I'm gonna give that a 9. 9 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm
Definitely.
going like 4 out of 5. He's going 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna have to try this recipe and
Yeah.
let us know what you think.
And as always, the recipe, the original recipe link is in the description. So go ahead and click on that and check it out for yourself. I love it personally.
It's okay.
I love it. I love that. You get that huge punch of cinnamon. I really love that. That's really good. It's coming through. I taste all of it. The apples mixed with that cinnamon definitely gives me that fall feeling. Like, here's fall. It's coming to you.
So happy that it's fall.
Yes. Although it's pretty hot out.
Yeah.
So we're waiting for actual fall to come. But
It'll come.
someday. Yeah. So,
Where we live, it's gonna come.
yeah. So, well, we agreed to disagree that, 5, 9, whatever you want to give it. Go ahead and give it a try. Let us know what you think about this recipe in the comments. And again, I just want to emphasize this one more time, that another week I will give everybody to get to 300 views on that other video. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the recommended video section that you'll see pop up on your screen. Just go ahead and click on that and share it with friends and family and everybody. If I get to 300 views, I'll do the smoothie, 5 ingredients that you pick. I'll drink it. All right, well, that's it for today, everybody. Thank you for joining us, and make sure to like and subscribe. Again, hit the bell icon so you get all the videos, and
I don't know.
we'll have another video for you next week.
Ah!
All right, take care. We'll see you next week.